All right, the long hike is over. Might look like I know what I'm doing so far, but this is the first time I've ever had snowshoes on. Found a really sick spot. This is a lake. It's actually barely frozen over. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tent. The sun's fading pretty fast. It's only 3:48, but it's already hitting the tree line. I'm gonna do a little heater in the tent, little hot tent setup. Full moon tonight, so it's gonna be illuminated out here, so I'm not too worried about it getting dark. But I would like everything to get set up and maybe gather some firewood. I think we have about 30 minutes till dark. So I'm gonna start gathering some firewood. I have a special meal. I'm gonna do some carne asada. Didn't eat lunch, I'm starving in preparation for this meal because it's gonna be a lot of food. Carne asada. Did you hear that? If you watched my last camping video, I was saying there's a weird sound that doesn't sound natural, and that's the sound. I wasn't playing with you guys. I've been hearing it a lot. I suppose it's time to put some pants on. It's getting a little chilly. Look at that. Woo. Oh my gosh. Look at that bite. Oh my gosh.
Supposed to be down 15 tonight, but I assume it's gonna be colder because that was what the weather said for lower elevation. So now that we're up here, it's probably gonna be a little bit colder. So yeah, about a 32 bag, and I'm gonna put my 15 bag in the 32 bag. I have a feeling I'll be plenty warm. I'm gonna do a little hot tent action. Have a little heater that I'm gonna throw up in there. Probably won't run it all night, but I'm definitely gonna run it while I'm in there hanging out before I go to bed. Get it nice and toasty. This food is like beyond good. Like, I did not think it was gonna come out this good. I just marinated the steak in orange juice, soy sauce. What else? I don't know. I'm not really too sure what it is. It was good though. Kind of an odd like mixture of seasonings, but the meat's so tender. Rice is perfect. Peppers are a little crunchy, but it's kind of nice. So good. It's honestly crazy how bright it is out here. Moon's almost completely full, and it's still not even above the trees yet, so it's gonna get even brighter than this. I tried the propane heater and it wouldn't work, so whatever. I don't think I'll need it. I'm gonna use the water that could freeze for tea. These things are starting to freeze already. My gummy bears were so frozen. It was like chewing on a piece of gum. So I just dipped them in my tea. Shit just hits different while you're camping, you know? Wow, that's good. It's gonna be a much chillier night than the last camping trip. It's cold. I'm gonna get in the bags and go to bed. Alright, see y'all in the morning. So cold. It's toasty in my bag. The tea that was left over from last night is frozen solid. I think I left the tea bags in there too. Fuck. Luckily my Yeti water didn't freeze. Gonna have to start bringing that on those trips during the winter. So whenever I'm at home, I typically like to eat oatmeal in the morning with like peanut butter and chocolate chips and bananas. So we're gonna see how this works. I just threw a bunch of oatmeal, chocolate chips, and some peanut butter in this Tupperware. I'm just gonna pour boiling water in it. See if it works. Figured out what the strange noise is. Well, I'm pretty sure I know what the strange noise is. I think it's like the lakes, the water, frozen over water making that weird noise. I've never heard it before, or never knew what it was at least, so. Cracking of ice or something, I don't know. Definitely not the best thing on earth, but it worked out all right. Definitely didn't fluff up like it does in the microwave, but it's pretty good. Kind of a move. I'm gonna pack up and yeah, go walk around a bit. Alright, camp's completely packed up. The sun's just barely over the trees, so I have plenty of time to go explore. I might just hike around till I find a spot that I want to go explore in the woods and then drop the sled off and head in. Got some warm coffee
Yesterday I actually hiked in like 3 miles, which might not sound like much, but in the snow it's pretty slow. So probably gonna take a little bit different way back. There's some groom trails about a mile from here, so if I hike a mile I can hop on some groom trails. It'll be super easy walking, so I can cover a little more ground. This is a really nice spot though. Really happy with the spot. Oh, let's get the bag on, let's go. Alright, that about does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had an absolute blast with this one, completely new to me. If you guys enjoyed this, please go down there, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see next. Had a couple of people ask me about gear, so I'm gonna make a gear review. And yeah, hopefully plan some more trips like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.